Good morning, this is latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly higher on Thursday, with a positive lead overnight from Wall Street and the jump in crude oil prices boosting investor sentiment. Minutes of the US Federal Reserve's monetary policy meeting released overnight showed that the central bank is not likely to raise interest rates in a hurry. The Fed's revised forecast for interest rates now shows that officials expect 2 rate hikes by the end of this year, compared to 4 predicted in December. The Australian market is advancing, tracking the overnight gains on Wall Street and the surge in crude oil prices. In late morning trades, the benchmark S&P ASX 200 index is adding 23.50 points or 0.48%. The benchmark Nikkei 225 index is adding 0.68%. Crude oil prices surged higher Wednesday, rebounding from recent losses amid hopes for a deal to freeze supplies from major producers, including Saudi Arabia. WTI oil for May delivery jumped $1.86 or 5.2% to settle at $37.75 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange. In the currency market, the Australian dollar rebounded against the US dollar on Thursday. In early trades, the local unit was trading at $0.7598, up from $0.7565 on Wednesday. The US dollar traded in the upper 109 yen level on Thursday, down from Tuesday's close in the mid 110 yen range in Tokyo. The dollar fell below 110 yen for the first time in 17 months on Tuesday. Today, 2 weekly US numbers will provide more context for evaluating the macro trend in March. Initial jobless claims and consumer comfort index. US initial jobless claims. The surge in jobless claims in recent weeks looks a bit worrisome, although it could turn out to be another false alarm. If so, it wouldn't be the first time that the volatile but valuable lending indicator threw the crowd a curveball. The good news is that economists think that today's update for claims will be a non-event. Econoday.com's consensus forecast calls for a slight decline in new fillings to 272,000, seasonally adjusted, which would mark the first fall in a month. If so, the news will help dial down worries that the labor market is tumbling. It was the latest market news provided by IFA FX. Goodbye.